On the 11th of December 2023, I invested in a company called Synectics. And it was quite annoying, really, because that was a Monday morning. On the Sunday, I was researching this company and I was liking what I was reading. And so I thought, right, Monday morning, I'm going to invest some shares here. And then on Monday morning at 7 a.m., before the markets open, they released a trading update that came in materially ahead of expectations. Why was this annoying? Because I knew the share price was going to shoot up, and it did. But I still bought some. But it does show that their trading is going very well, and it's improving, and I think there's more to come. So let's get into it. Synectics, ticker SNX, a leader in advanced security and surveillance systems that help protect people, property, and communities and assets around the world. So let's have a look at some of the markets they're in. You can see here it's gaming, oil and gas, public space, and transport. And in fact, let's click into some of these because there's some good stats here. I see 100 plus of the world's busiest gaming properties around the world use Synectics. 150,000 channels are being monitored and recorded in some of the most highly regulated casinos. 5-star Las Vegas Gaming and Leisure Resort, with 5,000 channels across 215 acres use Synergy. Synergy is their platform that aggregates all the feeds. It's like a control room that can also be done remotely, but bank of computers, and it's their platform that's so easy to use. And they do supply cameras, but it doesn't have to be their cameras that use a Synergy platform. It can be third parties. It's just a very good aggregator platform to use to help people monitor these situations here. Like I said, we operate in the world's largest gaming markets: US, Canada, Macau, Singapore, and the Philippines. We monitor the highest grossing casinos in Las Vegas, New York, and Singapore. We have over 15,000 cameras recording on 15 gaming cruise ships. At one site, a single system records over 20,000 channels. Ontario Lottery Gaming has installed Synectics solution in over 30 gaming properties over the last 15 years. So it's big there. So let's go back to some other markets here. This is oil and gas, for example. 340, the world's largest gas to liquids plant, Shell Pearl in Qatar, with over 340 cameras across the site. Delivered over 10,000 POEX camera stations, that's their cameras, in the last 10 years to oil and gas marine installations across the globe. 1,601 foot, we protect largest, most expensive floating structure ever built at Shell Prelude floating liquefied natural gas facility. So you can see they're in big areas here. Let's go back and just check out, let's have a look, public space. One of 4 towns and cities across the UK use our security and surveillance solutions. 1.5 million spectators protect during international sporting events in the West Midlands. Over 60% of London boroughs, home to 9 million residents, choose Synectics. So you can see they're pretty much everywhere in big markets and growing. And you can see this is what they do: global markets, game, oil and gas, transport, critical infrastructure. We create value, customer-led innovation, deep industry expertise, long-term partnerships, specialists in complex and regulated environments. All right. And see a bit more of the same there. And you can download this from the website there, their presentation. But that's the areas there. Like I said, Saudi Aramco, biggest oil company in the world, use them. NHS, Sheffield, teaching hospitals, Bloomberg Resorts, City of London Police use them. So obviously highly regarded, well respected in these areas. So on the 11th of July, 2023, their interim results came out. This is for the 6 months ended the 30th of May, 2023. And here's some of the top line figures. Like I say, up 14% revenue. This is half year, just 6 months. 0.8 million operating profit, profit before tax. So they are cash generative. They have cash. Order books are very good. And like I said, outlook strong recovery in markets, excellent foundation for growth. And they say here, based on current order book and pipeline of anticipated business, the board expects company results for 2023 to be in line. Remember that, in line, they said there, with market expectations, despite being weighted to the seasonally stronger H2. All right. And then on the 11th of December, this is the day I bought some shares, and the day before I was researching, thinking, I'm going to invest in this company. They released this trading update. This is for the year, okay? And they say the company expects results full year to be materially ahead of market expectations, reflecting strong trading in the second half, particularly in the oil and gas market. By the way, they do say the gaming sector is coming back alive now. Of course, doing lockdowns, the big area in the Far East, but that's some sort of perked back up. So additionally, the company ended with a good, strong order book, 28.6 million. Is up, what, 4.2 million compared to the previous year, providing the board with confidence of the year, and the net cash is 4.6, and that's gone up to from 4.3, with undrawn banking facilities of 3 million. All right, let's just have a look at the spreadsheet here. I always, collate these spreadsheets. This is what I did on the 10th of December. And this is the latest set of results, interim results. This is for the full year to 2022. This is half year to May 23. Like you see, 152 is the share price. Net asset value per share is 209. So they are below net asset value, which is very good. Market cap 27 million. Enterprise value 23, which shows they have more cash than debt. And in fact, you scroll down here, they have no debt, but 4 million of cash there. Operating cash flow is positive. If you scroll down and look at growth, value, health, efficiency, potential momentum, or momentum potential, and you see here growth is very good, 14% top line, but operating profit growth, net profit growth, everything here has grown massively, and I give top points for that done there. Value, again, pretty much all in the green. This will get better, the PE, as, like I said, they are turning it around and they're improving. And this will come down as the profits go up. This PE will come down, but you see an EV/EBITDA 7. Health, all very good. Gross gearing 0. Current ratio 2.1. So you're looking for more than 1 there, pretty much. And they've got net cash of 4 million, and they're cash generative, so that will go up. Gross margins are getting better. Like I said, for a company that produces and manufactures cameras, that's very good. About 40%. I quite like that. I'm hoping they will fatten out these margins going forward. And like I said, the momentum here on the chart, just checking out the chart here, the price is above 50-day moving average, above 200-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average is above the 200-day, which is the golden cross. And this is the chart. In fact, let me put the moving averages on here. There we go. So that's where the trading update come in. I bought around here, and I expect to see a bit of consolidation happening. When you get a big rise at that, you expect some consolidation. But you can see there's probably some support here at 135, 137, and maybe a resistance of 160. Okay. And as far as potential is concerned, looking at the forecast, broker forecast, it's all looking good. You're looking at 21% top line growth, 11, 13, and the margins do get better. And looking on a multiple, sales multiple, 0.8, 7 times EBITDA, 12 times a net profit. You're looking at the 268, or over £2 a share by next year, and 268 by 2026. Please do your own research. As I always say this, I'm biased. When you invest in a company and you've got money in the company, you're likely to be biased. So please do your own research. That is just some information on which to base your research. Thank you very much for watching.